Very simple. What you have to memorize is this concept. A to the third power plus b to the third power is a plus b. A squared minus ab plus b squared. So that's the concept that you must memorize. This one, okay? Now, let's do this one. This will be given to you. What you have to do is you have to apply it. Just make sure you have to do 27x to the third power. You gotta change it to the a to the third power. You have to change this one into the b to the third power as well, okay? So here, are you ready? So, 27. 27 is 3 to the third power, and 8 is 2 to the third power, right? So what you have to know is this one, a, you gotta change this and this into this form, these two form, which means 27 is what? 3x. B is gonna be 2y, because 8 is 2 to the third power and we have y to the third power, so that's a reasonable that 3x to the third power is this and 2y to the third power is this, right? And only thing that I have to do is plug this number into this one. So let me write this one down. A plus b, a squared minus ab plus b squared. That's the factoring by sum of cube. And only thing that I have to do is just plug in this number, okay? So let me write down this big parenthesis and plug this number in. So a in this case is what? 3x plus b in this case is 2y. A squared, which means what? 3x squared, right? 3x squared is 9x squared minus ab, which means 3x times 2y. 3 times 2 is 6xy. B squared, which means what? 2y squared. 2y times 2y is 4y squared. And that's it. That's all you need to know. Alright? So, try this one by yourself. That should be easy. Okay? Just what you're gonna know is, so if you're asking me how do you know if 64 is 4 to the third power, as I said, you must memorize it. 2 to the third power is what? 8. 3 to the third power is 27. 4 to the third power is 64. 5 to the third power is 125. 6 to the third power is 216. You have to memorize until this one. After that, what you can do is you just put this one into the calculator if numbers looks a bit interesting, okay? But at least until 6, it's better for you to memorize it. So let's do this. So you're gonna apply this one into the formula. Here you go. X plus 4, because that's a and b. A squared is x squared, so it's gonna be x squared minus, this one is what? X times 4, which is 4x plus, what's a b squared? 4 squared, which is 16. That's it. So I believe you can do this too by yourself. I will just write down the answer here. Just pause the video, do not copy. Pause the video and try it by yourself. Because if you're gonna just copy this one, there's no true meaning behind you being here. Because you're here to learn, not to copy down the note. Because that's not gonna do your work. But if you accept the pain, also, yeah. So here 6 times 5 is 30xy plus 25y squared. This one I will just tell you. It has a negative AB side, right? So this one is what? 6x times 5y. 6 times 5 is 30, x times y is xy. So that's the part that you might get confused. But other than that, it should be easy.